Hey guys, Seth here. Today I'm doing a really dumb idea, also known as mixing lemon juice and lime juice and drinking it. Yes, it's in a pickle jar. And then I'm gonna eat the limes because I just used straight up lemon juice because we didn't have lemons. But yeah, and then I'm going to drink it now. And then eat the limes, obviously. But, well, that was fun. Have a little more. Oh, wow. And then we have 2 limes to eat. Woo. And I want to eat it, but I don't. Okay. Actually, tastes very good, but it's sour. Wow, I'm not talking. Sorry, guys. Yeah, it was a good, solid 30 seconds without me talking, so I'm trying to get this lime. But yeah. So we hit 7 subscribers, that's pretty good. While you're at it, and I'm trying to open up this lime, go check out my mom's channel. It was originally Skook Family, but I think she changed it or something. I forget it. I'll leave a link in the description. But yeah, go check that out. If I can get this lime. By the way, we got a new puppy. I'll be able to show you that tomorrow because my sister still doesn't know because she's off with my cousin. They went to Chernobyl and she's sleeping over our house alone. She'll be back tomorrow. Well, today by the time you're seeing this video. But yeah. Yeah. I'm just gonna do this. Okay, I just did this. I cut it into orange slices. Oh, look, it's blossoming flower. A loosh. But yeah, let's go. Sorry, I have my computer in the background to make my face lighter. I know. Classy. But, yeah. So, how have you guys been? This lime is taking way longer than I expected. Yeah, that's 1/2 done. It was a really dumb challenge. Like, why did I think this? Like, okay, that's 1 lime down. Well, 1/2 of one. Now we have this half. Yi tries to eat a lime is asking for ulcers because they're sour. But we're not going to talk about that. 6 minutes in and I didn't even finish my thing. Surprising. I may have a taste testing thing up tomorrow. I don't know what it's going to be about. This piece is perfect. Oh. Oh, I got my cut. Yeah, it's summer. We're out of school. Finally. But, yeah. Did I get lemon juice on my phone? That's healthy. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. I really don't have an excuse. Sorry, guys. But now that school's out, I have like more time to my hands, so I can like bring you guys more videos. Whoa, we're done. I'm not gonna end it there though. I was gonna make a separate video about this, but I'll just put it in one. I really need to edit this out. cleaned up and everything. I saw these at the store, and well, I ate them. Well, some of them, but they were wow, backwards. It was crushed Pop-Tarts because I actually like crushed, but I prefer grape over orange. But I really like orange. And then I opened them up wrong because I'm dumb. They were Pop-Tarts AW root beer. So I'm gonna try both of them on this video. Just give you guys a little extra because I haven't uploaded in a while. The first one is I have no clue. The root beer ones, AW. So they look like this. And when you open it, oh god, wow. Oh god. Yeah, that's what it looks like inside. Actually really tastes like the root beer. And the aroma of it smells good too. A plus, I like it. Ooh. Next one is obviously the crush one. So, wait. There you go. That's what they look like. Roller coasters. But yeah. But when you open it up, there's orange stuff inside. I don't really like it. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. Pretty long video. Thank you so much for 7 subscribers, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.